Okay, this is the number one mindset you want to have in order to build mental resilience. Now, some people are going to get a shift right away just by finding out this mindset. But if you don't get a shift right away, but you're saying, oh, yeah, that's the mindset I want to have, then you can click the link at the end in order to date your brain to learn how to instill a mindset. So, the number one mindset that you want to have is this: when there is crisis, that you are strong. When there's a problem, when there's an issue, that you are strong. Now, why do you want to have this particular mindset? Because you're thinking, hey, when crisis is going on, you freak out. That's just normal, natural. Yes, that is, until you learn to have this mindset. And you want to have this mindset because what it's going to do is help you build mental resilience. So think of it. There are those who have this already: firemen, first responders, policemen. How do they act? Nurses, doctors in the emergency room. How do they act when there's crisis? They are in action. You want to say that you are in action. You are strong when it comes to crisis, that it does not cause you to freeze. You might be saying, that that's not me, but I bet it is you. Because if you're a parent, a mom or a dad, if someone is trying to threaten your child, what do you turn into? A person of action. So you do know how to do it, and you do have it in you. Now you just need to make sure you apply it to everything, not just when you think that your children are in danger. Now, when you build this mental resilience, that you are strong and you are in action when there is crisis, a problem, or turmoil, that builds mental resilience so that every time something happens, instead of your brain saying, oh my goodness, what's going to happen? What am I going to do? I don't know what to do. It will not say that. It will automatically go into action. Now, does that mean then that you're this always person in action? You can just do anything and that's just the way and who you are? Yes. But does it mean that you're not vulnerable, that you don't go home and you have your little kiddos and your puppies and your wife and you're loving and kind and endearing and compassionate? You can still be all those things. But in crisis, if you have the mental attitude that you are strong, you will be building mental resilience for being a person of action in times of stress.